Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of content marketing and how it can boost your business. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. So what exactly is content marketing? In a nutshell, it's a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. Why content marketing matters? Now you might be wondering, why should I care about content marketing? Well, here are 3 key reasons. 1, it builds trust with your audience. 2, it improves your SEO and online visibility. 3, it positions you as an industry expert. Types of content marketing. There are various types of content marketing you can use to engage your audience. Some popular ones include blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, social media content. Remember, the key is to create content that resonates with your target audience and aligns with your brand. Content marketing tips. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some tips to help you succeed in content marketing. Tip 1. Know your audience. Understand who you are targeting and what they're interested in. Tip 2. Be consistent. Publish content regularly to keep your audience engaged. Tip 3. Focus on quality. Create valuable content that provides solutions to your audience's problems. Tip 4. Promote your content. Share your content on social media, email, newsletters, and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Tip 5. Measure your success. Track your content's performance using analytics tools to see what's working and what needs improvement. And there you have it, a quick 5-minute guide to content marketing. Remember, content marketing is a long-term strategy, so be patient and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tricks. Now, if you're looking for professional help with your digital marketing efforts, consider Brittany Burns Productions. We offer a complimentary info session where you can learn more about how our digital marketing services can help your business grow. To book your session, just click the link in the description below. But wait, there's more. We've also prepared a free resource for you to get started on your content marketing journey. You can find the link to this valuable resource in the description as well. So don't hesitate to book your complimentary info session and check out the free resource to take your content marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more business insights, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.